Like a Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we've got referee Jim Burdias next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chungran Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary. And then later he had to vacate the title. Chungran Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I met his corner
fighter
and
from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. Look at that! Look at that finish. Drop Chungran Koren.
There you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This is the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see
you got
in
your
MMA
knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout and Rabindra Dutt does it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chungran Koren says something, that he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No. You know what? Chungran Koren is such a solid fighter.
You can't replace a skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know, it's not like Chungran Koren got in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chungran Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Rabindra Dutt!
You know, I say this over and over again. They can, if there are two title fights, both champions will never retain. Never.
Let's hear it for the champion, Rabindra! All right. That was a clinic. Your call